Just a quick update, guys. This is David Miazga with David Miazga Racing, Davville Racing, the Budget Pro, my channel. Well, it's Sunday, July the 12th, and I'm just finishing, just MIG welding these braces on. Actually, these are just tacked on right now. You can see some tacks. So yeah, so I just got that's on there. That's on there. I just got to finish welding that. That's about where the number one bar is going to be. That's about 3 inches high. It has to go up another inch, but I think you get the idea. And then my other bars come up here to make the start of the jig. It's just about done. Let me see here. So yeah, I got to finish welding that. Then weld that bar in there. That one's welded already. And just put my legs on, right down there. And yeah, that should be a little bit later on this week. But we're almost there, so once I get the legs on, then I can start cutting some tubing. So yeah, just a short little video. Oh, I guess maybe I'll just show you my, while I got this going here, I'll show you my new welder I picked up from Amazon, just to do mild steel. Oops. It's a Flaring FM 215. Got a good smoking deal on Amazon. Let's see here. It was on sale. It was regular $199. I got it for $160. It's a MIG and a lift TIG, and let's get a little closer here. Yeah, it's a TIG, or it's a MIG. It also does a lift TIG, and it does arc. They're on the other side, but it's got a spool in it. I'm using Blue Shield gas. Just turn this around here. Yeah, this is just a spool side. I just got a 10-pound of 030 wires, so 8.8 millimeter wire. There we go. Yeah, nothing fancy, but it does the job. This shows you just MIG torch and all that, but yeah, it does lift TIG. It has a spool. I can put a spool gun on it to do aluminum. Yeah, so I wanted that just to do mild steel and just leave the TIG for chrome moly and aluminum and stainless. I also can put stainless steel wire in this one if I want. And yeah, so just makes it to do mild steel a lot easier, especially on this stuff. And I need to do body work also on this, so that's the other reason I bought the MIG. All right, so that's the update for today. Dave Miazga with Dave Miazga Racing, Davville Racing, the Budget Pro, my channel. Peace out.